So these are those same rocks that I picked up earlier directly from the site. And as you can see, they have like bird effigy to it. Like how it looks like a bird. The head. You see the bird on there? Like right here. And then this head right here. The beak right there. With some of these, like the effigies, it's like looking at you, and it comes into. A lot of them are worn away. But this one's pretty cool. This one had a bunch of head shapes in it. Talks about the mines and stuff. A lot of stuff.